Imagine running or jumping, and your body feels almost weightless. That magic comes from tendons, tough yet flexible cords connecting muscle to bone. These tissues act like biological springs. When you land from a jump, tendons stretch and store energy, then snap back to release it, propelling you forward with minimal effort. This spring-like action lets us move swiftly and use less energy, making tendons essential for everything from walking to sprinting. It's this built-in efficiency that sets humans apart as extraordinary movers.